Welcome to a new era of education. In today's fast-paced world, education is evolving. We're on the cusp of a revolution, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. AI is fundamentally changing how we approach learning, making it more effective, engaging, and personal than ever before. For too long, traditional education has faced significant hurdles. One-size-fits-all approaches often leave students behind or hold them back. Students learn at different paces and have unique strengths and weaknesses. Enter AI. Artificial intelligence is the key to unlocking true, personalized learning experiences. AI systems assess individual strengths and weaknesses, identifying areas where a student excels or needs more support. Based on these insights, AI adapts content, exercises, and pacing to each student's specific needs. The benefits of AI-powered personalized learning paths are profound. Students experience increased engagement and motivation as the learning material is tailored to them. This leads directly to improved learning outcomes, deeper understanding, and better retention of knowledge. From intelligent tutoring systems to adaptive textbooks, AI is already transforming classrooms worldwide. AI-powered personalized learning isn't just a concept, it's a reality that's here to empower every learner. Imagine a brighter, more effective future for education, where every student can thrive. Unleash every learner's full potential with personalized learning paths powered by AI. Transform education, one student at a time.